You've seen the headlines. AI is coming for the developers. QA testers are finished. Data analysts should start looking for new careers. But my name is Indu, and at Uplatz, we track hiring trends and salary data for 1.5 million learners across 50 countries. When we look at the actual job postings from 2024 and 2025, a pattern emerges that the headlines are completely missing. This chart compares the rising media panic against the actual steady upward trend of tech job postings. For example, GitHub reported that AI tools like Copilot increased developer productivity by 35% on repetitive boilerplate tasks. Look at how that 35% gain is reallocated. Instead of firing 35% of their staff, companies actually increased hiring because their developers were finally free to work on harder problems, like system architecture and optimization. This means the standard way we think about career security, asking if a role is replaced or safe, is the wrong framework entirely. The data shows that AI replaces tasks, specifically rote, repetitive ones, not entire roles. The real distinction is whether your career is transformed by these tools or left intact while the rest of the market moves past you. For junior developers, the 2019 baseline was simple. You memorized syntax, learned frameworks, and got hired to learn the rest on the job. Today, AI generates form handlers and basic CRUD code in seconds, making that old baseline obsolete. This quadrant chart maps displacement risk against required strategic judgment. Notice the dot for junior developers moving from the high-risk zone of 2019 into a low-risk, high-strategy zone. Companies now use a new filter, demanding that juniors understand data structures, algorithms, and system design. This creates a new trade-off. The learning curve to get that first job is now significantly steeper and longer than it was 5 years ago. We see this reflected in pay. Salaries for juniors who only know basic syntax are compressing, while pay for those who understand foundational architecture is holding steady. The entry requirements for developers haven't vanished, but they have moved from simple syntax knowledge to an understanding of how code functions within a larger, scalable system. Senior developers are seeing the opposite effect. Demand for senior roles is up 18% year over year. AI acts as a 1.5x output multiplier here. If you spend your time writing architectural specs and reviewing AI-assisted code, your value to a company scales massively. In DevOps, the hypergrowth has normalized, but the role is secure. AI handles the boilerplate infrastructure, allowing engineers to manage massive server farms effortlessly. The trade-off for the security is the mental load of constant adaptation. Senior personnel have to stay current on a toolkit that is changing almost monthly. This is where skill stacking comes in. A DevOps engineer who combines cloud orchestration with FinOps, or cloud cost optimization, creates a level of value that is currently in extremely high demand. For senior technical staff, the primary career threat is not the technology itself, but a rival senior developer who uses that technology to outproduce them. QA and testing is seeing the most disruption. We're tracking a 15% decline in roles focused on manual, repetitive test execution. However, the fundamental necessity of software quality hasn't changed. The role is simply consolidating into what we call quality architecture. This table breaks down the shift. On the left, we see the 2019 standard of manual execution. On the right is the 2026 requirement, building automated testing frameworks and integrating them into CI/CD pipelines. The trade-off is significant. Manual testers have to pivot from checkbox execution into actual software engineering, but the reward for that transition is clear. There is currently a 22% surge in hiring for QA automation engineers. While rote testing is a shrinking market, those who move towards quality strategy escape the low-wage outsourcing pool and command a higher market premium. Data analysts face a similar split. Lower-level roles that exist only to run standard reports have seen a 4% drop in demand. Because AI can generate SQL queries efficiently, competing on the speed of your query writing is a losing strategy. On the quadrant chart, the data analyst role is moving away from rote SQL generation and toward strategic business insights. Survival now requires statistical rigor, data modeling, and the ability to translate raw data into a narrative for stakeholders. Companies are shifting their hiring ratios. They no longer need 5 junior report runners. They need 2 senior analysts who can use AI to direct and interpret those insights. The trade-off for analysts is that you will spend less time isolated in databases and more time defending your statistical models to business leaders. Data professionals must stop seeing themselves as code generators and start acting as strategic business translators. You might still wonder if AI will eventually advance to the point where human oversight isn't needed at all. That fear ignores the massive switching costs and risks companies face when adopting new tech. In the 1990s, the emergence of the ATM was supposed to eliminate bank tellers. Instead, teller jobs held steady for decades. The technology lowered costs, allowing banks to open more branches, requiring humans to staff them alongside the machines. When a tool increases what one person can do, companies typically choose to scale their production rather than fire their staff. Just as architects moved from drafting tables to computers, human oversight scales alongside technological progress. Corporate hiring is driven by economic incentive. Productivity tools create a mandate for more complex work, and that work requires skilled humans to guide it. To move into these high-leverage positions, you need to execute a process of skill stacking. This flowchart tracks your next year. For the immediate 30 days, stop reading panic articles and start using AI tools for your actual daily work, coding, debugging, and learning. By the 6-month mark, pick exactly one adjacent technical skill, like API design or cloud cost optimization, and go deep on it. A project that proves you can combine your core expertise with AI integration. The time to start this transition is now. By 2028, industry data suggests that AI literacy will no longer be a competitive advantage. It will be the baseline expectation for every hiring manager in the field. Ultimate career security isn't determined by what AI can do. It is determined by your choice to either drive your own adaptation or get swept away by it.